Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a stain on a pillow. This will be the easiest tutorial that you will come across on this subject matter, so let's get right into the video. Now, if you have a pillow like this, whether it is a sleeping pillow like this one, or a couch pillow, a throw pillow, any type of pillow, the first thing that you want to do is look at the care instructions. On the tag, you're going to find some care instructions. You want to make sure that whatever I'm going to be explaining to you to do, my recommendations, that you can actually do those things to that pillow. If your pillow says do not get it wet, then guess what? Don't get it wet, right? This method is not going to work for you. So this is not a universal method, but it is a method that works, and a lot of pillows you will be able to use this method on a lot of pillows. Essentially what you want to do is you want to get a little container and you want to fill it with some warm water, okay? Not hot water, not cold water, but warm water, and a little bit of just detergent that you would use, like washer detergent, like to wash your clothes, okay? You can use whatever type of detergent you want, but you only need a little bit. Don't overestimate how much you need. You just need not even a drop, like literally a drop of a drop of a drop, the tiniest bit. So I just actually used the lid of my washer detergent container, and I put a little dab of detergent in here with some warm water. And then you're going to need a cloth or a sponge. You can use a microfiber cloth if you want to be really delicate, or just a regular cloth or sponge if you want to be a little bit more aggressive. This is an old pillow that we don't use this to sleep on in my family. Like between my wife and I, we don't use this pillow to sleep on. It's just like a pillow that we leave in the family room. If you're like lying down on the floor, you know, if I'm working on my laptop while lying on my stomach on the floor, I'll just put this under my stomach. So it's not like a sleeping pillow. That's why I don't care to use this cloth. It's a little bit more of a rougher cloth. So what you're going to do to get the stains out, and there's a couple of just small little stains over here, as you can see. What you're going to do to get the stains out, I'm not even sure what those stains are from. This pillow's like, I don't know, I think I got this pillow from my parents' house. Like when we moved out, I think they gave us this pillow. It was like, here you go. Like a parting gift kind of thing. So this pillow could be like 15, 20 years old. I don't even know. Okay, so who knows what that's from? But essentially you want to dip your cloth in that warm water with the detergent. Okay, your cloth can be, you can wring it out if you want to, but for myself, for the first pass, I'm not going to wring it out. I want to get a good amount on this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scrub at the area. So you just literally want to take your cloth with your detergent and scrub at the area, okay? If the stain is significant enough, what you can do is get a tiny bit of detergent on your fingertip and put the detergent directly on the area, okay? So you want to scrub continually. Now, depending on how bad the stain is, you might have to scrub for a while, or you might only have to scrub for a bit. But you're going to scrub until that stain is gone. And like I said, make sure with the care instructions that you are allowed to do this. You're using, water, you're using a scrubbing motion, so you're agitating the pillow, and you are also using some detergent. So make sure you're sort of allowed to do this, okay? So when you've scrubbed enough to get the stain out, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to get your cloth and you're going to get some regular water on it. So I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to be using the other side of the cloth over here. And on the other side of the cloth, I have just some regular water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub it with regular water now, and that's going to rinse out the detergent. Rinse that area of the cloth one more time. Okay, wring it out, and scrub again with regular water. And you're going to repeat this process, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 times. Just continually rinsing your cloth to rinse out the detergent that's being absorbed by it, and then using that wet cloth with just water on it to get the detergent out of the pillow, okay? And eventually your pillow will be clean. You will remove the stain from the pillow. It's actually really easy to do. Now you can use the detergent of your choice. You can use any type of detergent, any aggressiveness of detergent. There are stronger ones and easier going ones. It's completely up to you, any type of scent with the detergent. But what you're doing is you're essentially manually washing your pillow. You're doing what a washing machine would do, but I don't recommend putting a pillow in a washing machine. So you're doing what a washing machine would do, but you're doing it by hand, okay? So you're basically scrubbing in that detergent on the pillow by hand, and essentially you are removing the stain by hand. And then you're rinsing out the detergent by using that wet cloth with plain water on it. That's it. That is how to get your stains out of your pillow. It's actually really easy to do, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video, and it'll work for any type of pillow that you can imagine. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And sorry, like I said before I finish, you got to make sure, always look at the care instructions on your pillow to make sure that you you can do it. Because certain materials will react okay with water and detergent and agitation, and other materials will not. So you want to make sure that you're not going to damage your pillow or ruin your pillow or anything of that sort. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.